Hello friends and welcome back. So today we will understand the difference between open systems and closed systems. These two concepts affect how your devices and software communicate. So without wasting any time, grab a notepad and let's start. Let's start with open systems. These systems are built to work with others. They follow common standards and protocols, so different devices and softwares from various companies can communicate easily, right? A perfect example of open system is your home or office network. You might have computers running Windows, Mac, and even Unix, but they can all talk to each other because they follow standard networking rules, right? The key benefit here is interoperability. Think about USB ports, no matter what brand your device is. If it has a USB port, it will work with almost anything else that uses USB. That's because USB is an open standard, allowing devices to work together seamlessly. On the other hand, closed systems are more exclusive. They are built to only work with certain devices or software, usually from the same company. For example, the iPhone. You can only download apps from the Apple App Store, and you are limited to accessories that are made for iPhones. This creates a controlled environment where everything works smoothly within that system. And another example is gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. These are closed ecosystems where games and accessories work only with that specific system. Like a PlayStation game won't work on an Xbox and vice versa. So if we compare both, open systems allows a lot of flexibility. They can work with devices and software from different brands, making it easier to connect and share data. But there's a trade-off: security risks. Since these systems are open to everyone, they can be more vulnerable to cyber attacks. While closed systems offer more control and can be more secure, they limit what can connect to them, making it harder for attackers to exploit. But the downside is that you are often stuck within that system's ecosystem. You can't easily use products from other brands, right? So, open systems are all about working with others, while closed systems are about keeping things exclusive within one ecosystem. Each has its own advantages, and it all depends on what you value most: flexibility or control. So, guys, this is all we have for today. I hope you found this video insightful. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more such videos. Consider joining me on LinkedIn. See you soon with another topic, another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.